Welcome to the video tutorial of eZee BurrP, a desktop-based restaurant management software. In this video, we will learn how to create vendor account. A vendor, also known as a supplier, is an individual or company that sells goods or services to someone else in the economic production chain. To create a new vendor account, go to eZee BurrP Back Office. Configuration. Payments and Accounts. Vendor. New. Enter the details of the vendor from where the goods will be purchased. Add account name. Account type. Vendor last name. First name. Account number. Opening balance of this account. Basically, opening balance is the amount which the hotel needs to pay to the vendor. It depends on the situation. Let us assume a situation where the user used to keep track of the purchases in their register, and then started using eZee BurrP software. So, at the time of switching data to eZee software, whatever balance is to be paid to vendor will be considered as an opening balance. Payment terms, it means within how many days the payment needs to be done to vendor. There are total 5 bifurcated informative tabs. Address, enter vendor address details. Contact information, enter contact information of the vendor. Credit information, enter the credit card details here. This is optional. If the card details are not available, then the user can skip this part. Other information, enter more information about the vendor including their registration number like TIN number of the supplier. Miscellaneous information, the account created date and the user who created it, will automatically get filled. Enter the remark required for this vendor. Once all the required details are filled, click on Save and the vendor account will be created. To modify the vendor details, select the vendor account, click on Edit to edit the selected vendor. Click on Delete, to delete the selected vendor. If the vendor is used in any of the transaction, then the vendor will not be deleted. In that case make the vendor inactive. To inactive the vendor, open the particular vendor, uncheck Active, and click on Save. This is how a user can create the vendor. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any queries or feedback, kindly contact our 24/7 live chat support.